Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we gonna explore the zeroth law of thermodynamics. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can never miss out our videos. So let me teach you first thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is formed from two words, thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat and dynamic means motion. So we can say thermodynamics means heat transfer between two different body. Heat motion means heat transfer. Okay. Before I start zeroth law of thermodynamics, you have to know about three terms. First, thermodynamic parameter. Second is thermal equilibrium, and third is thermodynamic system. So first, thermodynamic parameters. Mainly these are three types. First is pressure, which we can represent P. Second, volume, symbol of V. And third is pressure, volume, heat, or so third is temperature, which we can represent T. So these three are the basic parameters of thermodynamics. Let me teach you the second thing, thermal equilibrium. We have two methods to understand thermal equilibrium. First method, there is two system or body A and B. In system A, temperature is T1, volume is V1, and its pressure is P1. And in body B or system B, temperature is T2, pressure is P2, and volume is V2. There is a insulating wall between two bodies. If T1 is greater than T2, and what will happen? We expect that heat will transfer from T1 to T2, but we are wrong, because there is an insulating wall between A and B. So in these two systems, their temperature, pressure, and volume will be constant. So the definition of thermal equilibrium will be if two systems temperature, pressure, and volume will be constant with respect to time. We can say these were in thermal equilibrium. So this is the first method. Let me teach you the second method. The second method is if we consider two systems A and B, and system A, the volume is V1, temperature T1, and pressure P1, and in system B the temperature is T2, volume is V2, and pressure is T2. There is a conducting wall between these two systems. If temperature T1 is greater than temperature T2, then what will happen? We expect that temperature will transfer between these two bodies. Yeah, we are right. So there is a conducting wall, so it allows to transfer heat, right? After some time, T1 equal to T2. Heat will be transferred until the same temperature of these two bodies, right? So when it will be equal, then it will stop. So we can say that in this definition, if in two systems their temperature is equal temperature is equal is equal, then we can say they are in thermal equilibrium. Right? Now, the third term is thermodynamic system. So what is thermodynamic system? Mainly, it is divided into three types. First, open system. Second, closed system. And third, insulating or insulated system. If a system can exchange both energy and matter, then we can call open system. If or any system which can't exchange energy and matter, then we can call closed system. An insulating system can't exchange energy or matter with its surroundings. Closed system is that system which only exchange energy but not matter, right? So these are the basic knowledge about thermodynamics. Let me teach you the easy concept of Zeroth Law of Thermodynamics. Let we consider three body or thermodynamic system, or you can call system. So if A and B are in thermal equilibrium, A and B are in thermal equilibrium, then if A and C are in thermal equilibrium, then also B and C are in thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. In simple way, if A equal to B and A equal to C, then we can call B equal to C. Okay. So the definition of Zeroth law of thermodynamics will be: if two body is in thermal equilibrium with the third body, then they are in thermal equilibrium to each other. Let me tell you another simple example. If A and B are true brother, and if A and C are true brother, then B and C also are the true brother, right? And if I will give you another example, the Zeroth law of thermodynamics in our daily life. If a hot cup of tea we will put in refrigerator, after some times when we open it, it will be the same temperature as the cup of tea and the refrigerator surface. So these are the examples of Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Take care. Tata.